Hello everyone, AshersStash here. Today I got two new finds vacuum cleaners. This is the Hoover Windpath Tempo. It's in filtration. I got that today, and I also got this Bissell Powerforce bed 352-6. So I got these both from the same place. I got them at the same time. I was so happy when I found these two. And I never had a Hoover Tempo before. It's been a while since I seen everyone with a Hoover Tempo with a light. When I looked up on YouTube to see if anyone else had a Tempo with a light, I always saw only one person that had the exact same thing as I did. And the exact same thing without any mistakes. So, continuing on, let's do a review on them first before I actually test them. Here is the brush roll on both of these. This is what they look like before cleaning. So yeah, these are my two brush rolls. I'm gonna put them back up. And they both do have bags. Actually, the story when I got these is that when I got these both, I looked to see if one of them has a bag. The one does have a bag, which is the Windpath Tempo, but the Bissell Powerforce bed did not have a bag. So when I got back home, I took Daddy actually threw one of the old bags from the Tempo away, and I took the bags out of these both vacuum cleaners right here and right here. I put the one from the Bissell Powerforce bag, the newer models, into the Hoover Tempo, and the Bissell Powerforce bag 352-1 bag into the 352-6 bag. Vacuum. So, I never tested them yet, and they both do have attachments. Both of these do have all the attachments, so that's good. So, on with the run. Okay, so which one should I start first? Okay, I think we should choose the Hoover because it's one of the most rare vacuums that no one has ever found. So the Hoover Tempo does work. Nothing wrong with it. No incidents or something like that. The light works. It has a lot of suction, and when I was vacuuming the carpet with the low setting, it was hard to push. So I put it on the high setting, which is hard carpet, and it worked. So the brush does work on that one. Now for the Bissell Powerforce bag. Okay, so the handle is kind of loose. I might have to screw that in tightly. Okay, so there's one major issue with the Bissell Powerforce bag. It does work. It had suction, not as strong as this one, but the issue with it is that the light didn't work on that one, so it looks like the light on it got busted. So I might have to buy a new light for it. I might just take out of the light from that one and put it in that one. I don't know. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to waste that light and to put it in that one. So I'll just buy a new light for the 35-6, and then that will be it. And cleaning both of these. So the Hoover Tempo works fine. Nothing wrong with it. Bissell Powerforce bag 35-6. This one needs a new headlight. And that's it. Both of these need a cleaning. So that's it for my video. So yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video. Hope you like my video. Actually, there's one more vacuum that I want to show you. It's this small vacuum right here. This Dirt Devil. I actually got it yesterday, but I'm not gonna run it. I'm not gonna do it today because this is the smallest vacuum, and I don't want to do it right now. I don't want to make the video on that one right now. I never tested it, so I don't know what it sounds like. So like and subscribe and comment what I should do next. Bye.